When it comes to improving the value of your Kendall property, one of the most effective upgrades you can make is installing energy-efficient windows. Not only do these windows enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but they also provide a range of benefits that attract potential buyers, lower energy bills, and contribute to a more sustainable environment. Boost your property's market value. Energy-efficient windows are a top priority for many homebuyers in Kendall, where the subtropical climate can lead to high energy costs. Properties equipped with modern, efficient windows are more appealing because buyers understand the long-term savings and comfort they provide. By replacing outdated, single-pane windows with energy-efficient alternatives, you can significantly increase your home's resale value. According to studies, energy-efficient home improvements can offer a return on investment of up to 70–80%. This means your upfront cost for replacement windows could translate into a higher asking price if you decide to sell your home. Buyers often view these windows as a sign of a well-maintained, future-ready home, which can set your property apart in the competitive Kendall real estate market. Reduce energy costs. In Kendall, the hot and humid weather often leads to high cooling costs. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer during the occasional cool winter days. Features like low emissivity, low E coatings, multiple panes, and gas-filled layers act as barriers against outdoor temperature fluctuations, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. With less energy needed to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, homeowners can see significant reductions in their utility bills. Over time, these savings can offset the initial cost of window replacement, making this upgrade a financially smart decision. Enhance indoor comfort and climate control. Beyond cost savings, energy-efficient windows improve the overall comfort of your home. They reduce drafts and maintain consistent indoor temperatures, eliminating hot or cold spots near windows. In Kendall's sunny environment, windows with UV blocking technology can also prevent harmful rays from fading furniture, flooring, and curtains. Improved sound insulation is another benefit. Energy-efficient windows, especially double or triple pane models, reduce noise from outside traffic or neighbors, creating a more peaceful living space. This is particularly valuable in busy areas of Kendall, where outside noise can be a concern. Support environmental sustainability. For homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint, energy-efficient windows are an eco-friendly solution. By decreasing energy consumption, these windows help lower greenhouse gas emissions. Many energy-efficient windows are also made from recyclable or sustainable materials, further contributing to environmentally conscious living. As sustainability becomes a growing priority for homeowners, having energy-efficient features in your Kendall property can attract environmentally minded buyers who are willing to pay a premium for eco-friendly homes. Take advantage of incentives and rebates. In many cases, installing energy-efficient windows can qualify you for tax credits, rebates, or other financial incentives. Florida residents, including those in Kendall, may be eligible for programs that offset the cost of home energy improvements. These incentives can make the investment in energy-efficient windows even more appealing, providing immediate cost relief in addition to long-term savings. Improve curb appeal and aesthetic value. Energy-efficient windows come in a variety of styles, frames, and finishes, allowing you to enhance your property's visual appeal while improving its functionality. Whether you prefer sleek, modern designs or traditional frames that complement Kendall's classic architecture, there are options to suit every taste. Upgraded windows can give your home a fresh, updated look, making it more attractive to potential buyers or renters. Conclusion: a worthwhile investment for your Kendall property. Energy-efficient window replacement is a smart, value-adding investment for your Kendall property. The benefits go beyond just saving money on energy bills. They also improve comfort, reduce environmental impact, and increase your home's market value. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable and sustainable living space, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a decision that pays dividends for years to come. Take the first step in enhancing your Kendall property today by exploring energy-efficient window options. Your wallet, future buyers, and the planet will thank you.